Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is Tuesday, so this will be a makeup video, and we were asked to please do this specific video. What we're going to be doing is a peachy, brownish, natural look, like everyday look. So I'm just going to be doing that on Danny, obviously. Also, I have already put foundation and powder and blush and eyebrows on Danny. Her face has already been done, so I'm just going to be doing the eyeshadow to show you a natural look. And yes, we hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and ring the little notification bell down below. I love how we always like point down. Down there. Somewhere there. Like the subscribe button, everything is down there, but the notification button
down there.
Okay, we hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. I'm going to try and make it as simple as possible because I am aware that most people don't have 100 brushes. So I'm going to try, Danny, she's an addict. I'm going to try and use as little brushes as possible, preferably just these, and one for the lipstick. So yeah, okay, well enjoy this video and we're going to start.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
We always click.
And every time after that we're like, what was that?
Doing?
This makeup look was requested by Michaela van Staden, and she wanted a look that she can take to college every day. So just something quick to do in the morning so that she can look fresh and awake when she goes to college. So this is going to be very simple.
Yes. Okay, first I'm going to be putting a glitter primer on Danny's eyelids from Essence. This isn't actually what you're supposed to be using. You should be using like a normal eye primer, but this is what I found. And alternatively, what you can do is you can put your foundation on your eyelids because you want it to be a little bit tacky so that the eyeshadow can stick properly. Oh, the eyeball is open. Oh. Okay, that's the primer. Okay, then I'm going to be taking my Creative Glamour Natural palette, and I'm first going to be taking the color Pale Honey. I'll show you which one. It is that one. And yes, my palette is a bit rigged, but it has fallen a few times. Taking Pale Honey with a flat brush, and I'm going to be just packing it onto the eyelid. How are you feeling? I'm going to be taking, there you go, I'm going to be taking a rounded brush, and I'm going to go into the color Rose first, and then make sure you tap off the excess so that when it goes onto your eye that there's not a lot of powder going everywhere. And you're going to be putting it in the corner and all along the crease. And just swipe. Think of a windscreen wiper, just go like that. Make sense? This color, and you can use the same brush because, like we said, we have realized that not everyone has an excess amount of brushes. And you're going to do exactly the same thing, deepening that crease. Then what I like to do is I'm going to go with the color Chocolate over here. And this is just to really darken up that outer corner of your eye. And then you're going to go into the outer corner into the eyelid. So over here, with that same dark color. Do exactly the same thing with the color Exotic Spice, just to really darken it up again. So this is all about layering and layering and layering. This one, sweep. Sweep, sweep, sweep. It's flirting with the camera. This is normal everyday life. That's what bugs me. Then I'm going to go back into the Shy Peach color with the flat brush.
So Shy Peach.
I'm crying almost. Stop crying. I'm just going to pack it onto the lid. Not all the way, because you still want to keep this outside, what would you call it, outer corner color that went in. You want to keep that. She's lost it. Okay, and then I'm going to take a light color, kind of white but not really white, kind of like an eggy, what do they call it, eggshell color?
It's called Halo, man.
I know, but it's called an eggshell.
Why would they call it an eggshell color?
So you know, not all countries' eggs are brown like ours.
No?
No. Not.
Not?
Not.
Okay.
Now you're going to take this halo color over here, which is like a whitish yellowish color, and you're going to pack it on again. And you're going to just put it by the brow bone to just accentuate it. Make sure it doesn't make a solid line. And if it does, you can always just blend it out. We've got a freckle over here. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the chocolate color, and I'm just going to put it a little bit under the eye, really little. You can put black in your waterline, but quarter and quarter, like that, so it makes like a triangle, the top and the bottom. Alright, now I'm going to be using the Creative Glamour mascara, number 1. And of course, spoolie, spatula,
What?
mascara,
I'm confused.
mascara wand.
What the heck is a spoolie?
Don't you know what a spoolie is? It's what you take when you're doing your eyebrows. When you go like this, it is this.
It's called the spoolie?
Yes, my girl.
Oh, I learn something new every day.
I laugh I'm wrong, I mean.
People
It's
correct.
embarrassing. And then the last step is the lipstick. I'm going to be using Creative Glamour, and I'm going to be using the color LB3. LB3. I can hear Daddy blink. Can you not hear
Why?
it? Can you not hear it?
No.
And this is the look. What you can also do if you want more of a peach color, that has less brown, I just really like brown, is on the lid. You can put something like the owl peach or the owl peach, and then for the corners, like what I did over here, over there, you can do the shy peach. And then if you want to make it a little darker, you can use more of a light brownish, pinkish, peachish, look, whatever color this is. So we really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell down below. And the subscribe bell and all the other bells and stuff.
There's lots of bells.
The world is full of bells. But we hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked this look, give it a thumbs up. And if there's any other requests you guys have of simple looks or more difficult looks, or I'm just going to add this too, if you have any suggestions for characters for special effects, let us know. If you want us to do a theme, like a Disney theme or a Marvel theme or something like that, let us know and we can also do that. Okay, cool. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you on Thursday. And yes, okay, we're going to the montage.
It's never together. It's like
1, 2, 3.